No camera, no problem. Create YouTube videos with AI. Are you ready to create high-quality YouTube videos without ever showing your face or picking up a camera? With AI tools like ChatGPT for content ideas, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Pexels or Pixabay for visuals, and CapCut for video editing, you can create professional videos tailored to any niche, including motivation and self-improvement. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps I use to create content that resonates with my audience and helps grow my channel. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a script with ChatGPT. Start by brainstorming your video topic with ChatGPT, an AI tool that generates content ideas and drafts quickly. For instance, I asked ChatGPT to write a 30-second reel script about self-discipline. Here's what it provided. Scripts becomes effortless, freeing up time for the rest of your video creation process. Step 2. Create a professional voiceover with ElevenLabs. It's perfect for motivational content, offering voices like Adam or Rachel that sound clear and uplifting. Paste your script into ElevenLabs. Select your desired voice and adjust the pitch or speed if needed. In seconds, you'll have a polished voiceover ready to go. Step 3. Find stunning visuals with Pexels or Pixabay. For visuals, platforms like Pexels and Pixabay offer a vast library of free, high-quality stock footage and images that align with your video's theme. For example, search for sunrise or person waking up to match step 1 of the script. If you're unsure, you can even ask ChatGPT what visuals to search for each step as images or videos. Ensure the visuals connect emotionally with your message to keep viewers engaged. Step 4. Edit and enhance with CapCut. Bring everything together using CapCut, a free video editing tool that's user-friendly and versatile. Import your voiceover and visuals into CapCut. Sync the voiceover with your visuals by adjusting the duration of each clip. Add text overlays to emphasize key phrases, customizing fonts, sizes, and colors to fit your style. Use smooth transitions between clips, selecting from CapCut's effects to enhance flow. Once your video looks polished, Step 1. Start your day with purpose. Get up as soon as your alarm rings. Export it in MP4 format, ready for upload. These tools are all completely free. I know that your first video might take some time to put together. With consistency, the process will get easier. Soon, making videos will feel natural, and you'll be creating great content without any hassle.